I think the first thing that attracted me about joining the family again with season like 2 of Tribe is that ये मेरी जिंदगी का पहला season 2 है. Because so far, any show that I've done, my character gets killed. Or they don't make a season 2. So I have always been on the hunt for another job. And I think with this, when the entire team, first of all, it's been an honor, an absolute life-changing experience to work with incredible actors, Kajol, Yashas and Gupta in season 1. But now in season 2, you get to elevate that performance with an incredible director as Umesh Bish. He's such a warm, wonderful, kind, grounded director that he was able to stir up more emotions than I could imagine season 2 would bring for my character. But I think the one thing that stands out for Sana Sheikh as a character is the fact that she's very secretive. And I think to know more about her secrets, you will have to watch season 2. But I think in season 1, we saw how Nayonika found friendship in Sana. I think in season 2, Sana finds her true friendship in Nayonika. So, yeah, that was pretty damn good.
Thank you for spilling the beans.
It's a secret. But we're friends, yeah. You're my best friend, yeah.
Okay. But here's to new beginnings, new season 2s for you, and wishing you the best. And you know, you're known for no filter, but you're allowed to use filter for the next question that I'm going to ask you. Little. In a show full of betrayal, who would you never want to be betrayed by in real life?
I don't think you can call the shots on who's going to betray you or not in life, and that's the truth. I think if you live your life with authenticity, and as you said, sir, authenticity comes with complexity. So as far as, you know,
I think I'll answer that question for you, because as somebody who has worked with Kubra in season 1, season 2, and seen her off screen quite a few times as well, Kubra is one of those rare people actually who handles criticism, witticism, and as you put it, maybe not betrayal, I haven't seen her with that, but any sort of negativity with such a wonderfully positive attitude that it doesn't turn out to be that eventually. She turns it into something else. So I think that's something that I truly admire about her.
Wow.
She just sealed it with a kiss, so loved it, every word.
True?
Yeah, it is. And तुम्हें तो पता है खुला आकाश है तुम्हारा तो मुड़ सकती हो जी सकती हो, right? So wish you the best, So thank you. Now there's going to be, before we open the floor for media Q&A, I know basically से इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि हम एक सवाल